Welcome to Lee's Summit, where homeowners take pride in their beautiful homes and landscapes. But clogged gutters can lead to water damage, foundation issues, and even unwanted pests. That's where our gutter leaf guards come in. With years of experience in gutter protection, we offer solutions designed to keep your gutters clean and working efficiently all year long. Our gutter leaf guards prevent clogs, leaks, and costly repairs, giving you peace of mind and saving you money. In Lee's Summit, many homes experience gutter-related damage every year. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter leaf guards keep debris out, ensuring that water flows freely and safely away from your home. This not only protects your property from costly water damage, but also enhances its curb appeal and market value. Ready to protect your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https:/thegutterguys.lc. The Gutter Guys, your reliable partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.